You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno, we are looking at how to say family in Italian. How do you pronounce this word? We'll be looking at how to say more useful Italian vocabulary. Stay tuned. Famiglia. Famiglia is how you say family in Italian. It's easy once you know famiglia. And now you know more videos, so you're here to learn more. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.